All right, we've got a call from Chelsea in Wichita. Chelsea, how's it going? How can I help?
Hi, Christy. Thank you so much for taking my call.
Sure, absolutely. What's going on?
Well, my question is about how to use Facebook groups and pages. I'm struggling to decide how to keep them separate, but also working together, if that makes sense.
All right.
I have a Facebook group that's a premium subscription offered through my website, but I want to use both, and I'm struggling on content, I guess.
Okay, so talk me through what your business is and why you even have these. Like, what are your objectives? What's the why behind the group versus the page and what you're doing currently?
Well, I said I have a premium subscription. My website is digitalartteacher.com. So the idea behind the group is that they would have access to me to ask questions, and I can update them on more premium content that's coming out. And that kind of stuff. But I also want to keep a page going.
So
on top of that.
Perfect. So are you asking about content? Like what content, but where?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. I've noticed that the open-ended questions work really well, but if I have a good question for both, do I just post the same question, or I guess I don't really know how to keep them separate, how to keep them both up.
Yes. Okay. I love this question. And this is a really common struggle for business leaders. So I love that you're asking it, because I guarantee you there are so many people listening right now going, yes, what content do I charge for, which is what you're saying in your group, and what content do I give away for free, which is on your page in this example.
Yes.
I have the exact same model, Chelsea, with Business Boutique. So if you go to Business Boutique, the Christy Wright page, that's my page. And then I have the Business Boutique Academy, which is a subscription model. This is my training group, and they have an exclusive closed group that you only get access to if you are a paid Academy member. So I'm actually living this out every day with you. I totally hear you. So here's what I do. If you were to compare it to, you're not thinking in terms of what content you put where in terms of topic or bucket. I want you to think in terms of depth, okay? So let's say that you have a topic that you want to cover in Business Boutique world. Let's say I'm going to talk about marketing. I'm going to give a 30,000-foot view of marketing on my Christy Wright page. That's a page that's free. That's just regular social media, growing the brand, growing the impact. It's encouraging, but it's a 30,000-foot view. In the Business Boutique Academy, I'm going to talk about marketing on the ground level. I'm going to do a deep dive. I'm going to get tactical. I'm going to show you step by step what to do. I'm going to answer your specific marketing questions. You're not going to get that side of me on the Christy Wright page, because that's the premium aspect of being in the academy, of having access to me and my coaching, which is exactly what you're saying here. So I want you to think of, not in terms of topic, I put this topic here, that topic there. I want you to think in terms of depth and detail. You're not going to be very detailed on your main page. You're just giving high level inspiration, encouragement, the 30,000-foot view. And then in your group, that is your paid premium access to you and that exclusive content, that's where you're going to take it on a much deeper level, a more tactical level. Another way to look at it, Chelsea, would be the why versus the how. The why of marketing, the why of digital art, the why of, problems that go on in that world and things that people deal with. The why is what you talk about on your main page. The how is what you talk about in your group. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
So I might talk about why we need to chase our dreams on my Christy Wright page, but then I'm going to teach you how to chase your dream in the group. So okay. it's what you're doing is you're creating a difference in the value. There's value in just being inspired. There's value in learning a 30,000-foot view of something. There are people that listen to my podcast, Chelsea, which the podcast is very much a 30,000-foot view. It's a top of the funnel. It's free. There are people that will only ever listen to that, and they'll never buy anything from Business Boutique. They'll never buy a Business Boutique book or a course or go to an event or join the academy, and that's fine. They get help. So it needs to still have value, but it's not going to be the level of value you get from a book or event or course or the academy. So the results you get will not be the same results you get if you only listen to it. So I want you to think of your business in terms of a funnel, Chelsea. What's at your top of your funnel? What are the things that are free? They're low cost. They're lower value. But then as you move down the layers of your funnel where a customer pays more, the value goes up and the results should go up. So in your case, this premium subscription model at the bottom where they get access to you, they shouldn't be able to get access to you and get all their customized coaching or answers to their questions at the top of the funnel for the free element. So it just helps you kind of diversify and thinking through what level of depth am I going into for the different areas. So I hope that helps, and that'll help you kind of discern between here's the same topic, but I'm going to go to this level on my page, and then I'm going to go a lot deeper in the group. Does that make sense?
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Yes.
That's a great question. Thanks for calling. You know, I love this question because anyone doing any type of marketing deals with it. Even if you don't have a subscription model, even if you don't have a coaching business, even if you don't, your business is not based around you answering questions. Everyone struggles with what content to put where. What content do I put on my blog or Twitter or Facebook? What content do I put, on my podcast? What content do I put here or there? Everyone struggles with this. If you have something you charge for though, if there's a specific platform that you charge for where people subscribe or they pay, that content needs to be more valuable. It needs to gain larger results for them. And it needs to be more in-depth, more tactical, more how focused. When you do this, then people understand why they should buy from you, why they should pay the premium. And everyone won't, but at least you're differentiating between the level of value you're offering and the content you're providing.